What is a digital artificial intelligence clone? Now, I'm not a computer scientist and I'm not an expert on Python programming. What I can tell you is I am using the latest tools from a lot of different companies, from HeyGen, from ChatGPT, put together through Delphi.ai. And what it does is it absorbs all of my ideas that I've ever said, every book I've ever written, every online course I've ever created, and there's more than 200 of them, every video I've ever made for YouTube and other places, every podcast appearance. It's all been sucked up into a digital brain right here at TJ Walker AI. And then when you ask a question or you tell it what your challenge is or what you're trying to improve, it can access 14 million plus words, ideas of mine, assimilate it and spit it back to you in a way that's personalized, that frankly is pretty much how I would talk to you if we could have a one-on-one conversation. In some ways, frankly, it's better than what I do because its memory is perfect. Clones have been around for a while where you record video of yourself on a green screen and then you feed in a script and that clone makes it look like you're saying it. That's not what this is. Audio clones have been around where it can mimic your voice, make something sound just like you to say some pre-recorded script. That's not really what this is, although it incorporates part of that. Chat AI clones have been around for quite a while. Big companies have used this for their customer service on their website, airlines, banks, for a long time. That's not what this is. What we're doing here with a digital AI clone is trying to essentially recreate me, my ability to coach you one-on-one without me having to be here in a way that's more accessible to you. So if you ask my digital clone a question, it's going to listen to you, understand your message, reference what you're talking about, and then give a personalized response. It's not just going into a database of an old audio recording or an old video and hitting play. This is not a jukebox type of a thing. It is personalized to you. That's what's new about it. It's exciting about it. This is groundbreaking technology, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.